What are we gonna make today?
Pumpkin carrots. Mommy, what does that say?
So what's this?
A carrot.
And then what are we gonna make out of it? Can you hold up one of our little slices so they can see? Show it. Hold it like this. So we're gonna cut our carrots to be shaped like a
Pumpkin.
turn it around, turn your hand around. There you go. And what's today? Because it's the first day of October. Yeah? So we're gonna make pumpkin carrots. Okay, so first you have to cut 2 ridges in the carrots to make the stem on top so that it comes out looking like that.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so first you're gonna cut a little slit in the side of the carrot. And then you're gonna go sideways into that little slit, right?
Why are you doing that?
And then we're gonna pop it out like that with our big knife. And got a little extra carrot snack. You wanna bite? Cheers. This is our dinner snack. You don't like it?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do it again, right? So we're gonna cut a little slice there and then go in from the side. A little thicker, I think. And we'll cut it from the side.
Why are you not making one of these?
I am. Watch. And now we're gonna pop it out. You have to get this extra part out so it makes a little stem. Can you pull that piece out for me? Good job. And that piece. So you only like cooked carrots? You don't like raw carrots? I like both. So now, see, it's shaped like a pumpkin. You see it now?
Yeah.
Because we cut 2 grooves out of the side here and left a little piece. So this is the stem of the pumpkin now. And then, get our extra little snack pieces. Mommy will eat those for lunch. Then we're gonna cut little pumpkin slices like this. So before we started cutting the carrots, we put the water to boil, right? So you're gonna help me put them in the water. I can go a little faster. So I'm gonna cut all the little pumpkins. And this piece is a little small to try and cut the grooves out of, so I just eat that for lunch tomorrow. So you wanna show them a little pumpkin? Remember how you pick it up and you show them? You gonna show them one? You're such a good helper. Okay, now you got all your carrots. So that's probably enough for 3 of us, right? 2 really big carrots. Okay, now this pot is boiling. It's very hot. Do we touch the hot pot?
No.
No.
I'm just gonna put them in.
Okay, but don't splash them because it's very hot. So you're gonna put it and drop it like that. Move your hand back. Yep. So you're gonna drop it in like that. No, don't throw it because it'll splash. So you just get it to right here and then drop and pull your hand back. There you go. See how some came out? That's why we move our hand away. But we gotta do it gentle to try and minimize the splashing. Good job. So you put it over the top and then back fast. Yeah, perfect. So slow over the top, back fast. Don't touch the pot. Remember, it's very hot. All right, I'm gonna get some more in. Mommy's hands are a little bit tougher, so. Hey, don't splash me. Remember, go slow into the pot and then back fast. We don't want to get splashed, right? It'll hurt. All right, and watch your hands. And we're gonna put it back onto the boil. And we're gonna put just a little salt in our pan.
I want to do it.
Okay, pull it right here. Remember, don't touch the stove. And I'll put the pot in for you. Okay, let me see your hand. Okay, and then go ahead, put it in the pot. Good job. So we're having what for dinner?
Peas and carrots.
Peas and carrots. So we're gonna check our peas. They're looking good. Here's one that's kind of dark. Always check them. So these are the pre-washed peas. We already made the carrots. So the pre-washed, ready to eat peas. We're just gonna steam them really quick. So can you help me pour them into the bag? Okay, lift it up. Work together. Shake it a little. Good job. Dump them in our bag. You got it. Okay, tip it a little. Alright, did you get them all in? Yeah? Okay.
Some are on the floor.
You can sweep those up after we're done cooking and eat dinner, right? Alright, so we got our peas in our bag. We're gonna put a tiny bit of water. It needs a tiny bit of salt. It should be good. Good job. Alright, can you mix it up so the salt get mixed up in there? Can you mix it for me?
I do it like this.
Good job. You're a good mixer. All right, now we're just gonna lay these flat like that. We're gonna put them in the microwave for 4 minutes.
That's not 4.
Well, the 4 doesn't do an auto set, but if we press 3 and then we add 30 seconds and 30 seconds, it adds 1 more minute, which makes
4.
4 minutes. That's right. You know?
Oh, you're such a good helper. Thank you.
Okay,
What else?
what else? Now we gotta get our chicken ready. You can help me with the chicken?
Chicken.
Do you want spicy Cajun chicken today? Or do you want lemon chicken?
Spicy.
Ooh, you want the Cajun chicken? We like it a little spicy. Okay, let me get the tongs. So we have 1 chicken thigh, that's for you. I do like the dark meat. And then we have chicken breast, because it's a little bit lower in fat content for mommy and daddy.
I can't.
You need a little help? Alright, can you help me squeeze it? Squeeze them. Squeeze them. Alright, lay it flat. Oh, good job. Alright, now we gotta get this chicken breast out. Alright, help me. Squeeze it. Pull. Oh, we got some chicken tenders. I thought they were just the breast. That's okay. Good job. Alright, now we get a chicken trash. Remember, we don't touch raw chicken, right?
No.
We might get salmonella. Okay, so we've got the Cajun seasoning.
I will put it on.
Okay, now this one you're just gonna sprinkle like so. Just a little bit on each one. Oh, that's good. Next. That's good. Just a little. Charlie, next. To the other chickens. Just a little goes a long way. This is for spicy. Good job.
This is mine and these are yours.
Okay. I'm gonna get some of your spicy and share it. I don't want it to be too spicy for you. We want it just right. Right?
I like mine that spicy.
You like yours a lot spicy? Ooh, I smell the peas. They're smelling good. You smell them? They're cooking. They are cooking. So tomorrow we'll probably make Cajun chicken pasta. Does that sound good? We'll have the leftover chicken with a little bit of spicy pasta. How are our carrots doing? Oh, they're cooking. Now we're going to turn on our stove and get ready to cook the chicken. You're going to help me with the peas?
Yeah. Right here.
Yep, we're going to finish our peas right here. You will. Okay, let me start the chicken and then I'll bring the peas over. Woo, almost lost that chicken. We got 1. You want me to count them?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Excellent. Thank you, helper. All right, hot. Ooh, they smell good. They smelling good? All right.
I see a steam coming out of it.
Steam. All right, we have a little bit of butter, but not too much. Just a little bit of the butter for it.
I will get butter.
Okay, get a little spoonful of butter and put it in the peas and then stir it up till it's melty. Oh, that's the perfect amount. All right. Stir up our peas. You want the butter to get all melty in there, right?
Not melting.
It'll melt. The steam will help it melt. What a great helper. Some of our fusion escapes. I'll put it back. Oh, you're good at that. All right, you're gonna add a little salt while you're stirring. Okay, put it in here. Let me add it for you. You're gonna do it. Okay, add a little bit of salt. Thank you.
You need to that.
And then I'm gonna get a tiny bit of
It's
black.
all melted.
Good job. Okay, and then we're gonna put a tiny bit of pepper in there. Okay, and dip the lid in. Dump it.
A lot?
Yeah, that's plenty. Just a little bit. And then stir it up really good, all the pepper.
It's good.
Excellent. Let me check it. Oh, you're good. Oh, you got all the butter melted. Thank you.
Why it's staring at my face?
Hmm?
Why it's staring at my face?
What is it?
Carrot.
Your pumpkin carrot? Are you going to show them what it looks like when they're done? It's a little pumpkin. Delicious.